Looking for the best drone in 2026 for aerial photography, travel, or professional shooting? With so many drones available today, choosing the right one can be confusing. Some focus on camera quality, some on flight time, and others on smart AI features or beginner-friendly controls. So in this video, I've researched and picked the top 5 best drones of 2026 based on performance, camera quality, flight time, range, and overall value for money. We'll go from the best professional drone to beginner-friendly options, and I'll explain the pros, cons, and who each drone is best for. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Now let's start. Number 1. DJI Mavic 2 Pro. If you want professional-level aerial photography and cinematic video quality, the DJI Mavic 2 Pro is still one of the best drones you can buy. This drone features a powerful Hasselblad camera with a 1-inch CMOS sensor, adjustable aperture, HDR 4K video recording, and 20-megapixel photo capture. It also includes a 3-axis gimbal for ultra-smooth footage, intelligent flight modes, and speeds up to 48 miles per hour. The biggest highlight here is the camera quality. The Hasselblad sensor delivers outstanding detail, natural colors, and incredible dynamic range. You get professional-level footage straight out of the drone without heavy editing. The adjustable aperture allows you to control lighting conditions like a professional camera, which is a huge advantage for filmmakers and photographers. Flight performance is also extremely stable. Even in windy conditions, the drone remains steady thanks to DJI's advanced stabilization system. Obstacle sensing and intelligent flight features make flying safer, and the battery performance is reliable for professional shooting sessions. Pros: professional Hasselblad camera quality, excellent low light performance, adjustable aperture control, extremely stable flight, reliable intelligent features, premium build quality. Cons: expensive compared to most drones, slightly older model but still extremely powerful. If you're a filmmaker, professional content creator, or serious drone enthusiast, this is the best overall choice. Number 2. New upgraded touchscreen tablet remote drone. At number 2, we have a feature-packed drone designed for serious aerial shooting and long flight time. This drone comes with 4K HD recording, a 3-axis anti-shake gimbal, 360-degree obstacle avoidance, payload release system, time-lapse shooting, 50x zoom capability, rain-proof design, and an impressive 84-minute battery life. It also offers up to 5-mile control range and a touchscreen tablet remote. The biggest strength here is the extremely long battery life. Compared to most drones that last around 25 to 30 minutes, this one gives significantly more flying time. The touchscreen controller is another standout feature. It simplifies navigation in live viewing without needing a separate phone. The obstacle avoidance system works in all directions, making it safer for complex aerial shots. The drone also performs very well for outdoor and professional shooting. Pros: extremely long battery life, touchscreen controller for easy operation, strong stabilization system, long-range control, advanced safety features, rain-proof design. Cons: beginners may need time to learn controls. Perfect for professional shooting, surveying work, and long-distance aerial photography. Number 3. Holystone HS790 GPS 6K drone. If you want a balance between price and performance, this is one of the best mid-range drones available. The Holystone HS790 features a 6K camera, 3-axis gimbal stabilization, 9-kilometer transmission range, AI night shooting, follow me tracking, AI quick shots, and up to 60 minutes of total flight time. This drone delivers excellent stabilization thanks to its 3-axis gimbal, producing smooth and professional-looking footage. The 9-kilometer transmission range is impressive and allows large area filming. The AI features automatically create cinematic shots, which is great for beginners and YouTubers. The Follow Me mode works well for sports, travel videos, and outdoor activities. Overall, this drone offers strong performance at a much lower price than premium models. Pros: excellent stabilization quality, long transmission range, AI tracking and smart shooting modes, good battery performance,
Strong value for money. Cons, slightly bulky design. App interface could be smoother. Best for YouTubers, content creators, and semi-professional users. Number 4. 8K GPS drone with 360-degree obstacle avoidance. Next is a lightweight drone packed with advanced features at a competitive price. This drone supports 8K recording, 360-degree obstacle avoidance, 50x zoom, brushless motors, GPS auto return, and up to 75 minutes total flight time with 3 batteries. It also weighs under 245 grams. The lightweight design makes it very portable and travel-friendly. In many places, drones under 245 grams require fewer registration restrictions. Obstacle avoidance adds safety, especially for new pilots. The GPS system ensures stable hovering and automatic return. While the advertised 8K resolution sounds impressive, real-world performance is closer to high-quality 4K, but still excellent for the price. Pros: lightweight and portable, long flight time, strong GPS features, good safety system, great value for money. Cons: video quality may vary from true 8K, not fully professional stabilization. Best for travelers and budget aerial photography users. Number 5. Drone for kids with camera. Finally, we have a beginner-friendly drone designed for fun and easy flying. This foldable drone includes a 4.5-inch remote screen, a brushless motor, optical flow hovering, adjustable camera, gesture photo and video control, 360-degree flips, and one-key start and landing. This drone is extremely easy to fly and perfect for learning drone controls. The optical flow hover helps maintain stability indoors and outdoors. While the camera is not professional quality, it's more than enough for casual use and practice. Pros: very affordable, beginner-friendly controls, fun features like flips and gestures, portable foldable design. Cons: limited camera quality, shorter range and battery, not suitable for professional use. Perfect for beginners, kids, or casual users. So, that's our list of the top 5 best drones of 2026. For the best professional performance, choose DJI Mavic 2 Pro. For long flight time and advanced features, go with the touchscreen remote drone. For balanced performance and price, Holystone HS790 is a great choice. For travel and budget users, the 8K GPS drone is ideal. And for beginners, the kids drone is a fun starting point. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.